Today I'm going to show you how to create a reflection in Adobe Photoshop. First, select your quick selection tool from the toolbar. And click and drag over the glass water to select it. Press Ctrl J to cut the image from its background. We'll name it Subject. Press Ctrl J to duplicate. Name the top layer Reflection. Now, press Ctrl T to select the free transform. Then right-click and choose the Flip Vertical. Click the reflection layer and drag it down. Right-click again and choose the warp. Open the warp list at the top and select the arc lower. Use the handle to determine the right bend for the glass water. Hit Enter once you're satisfied. Now, create a layer mask. Select your gradient tool from the toolbar. Click the gradient editor at the top. Open the Basics folder and choose Black and White preset. Go to the bottom of your document and press and hold Shift as you drag a line to the middle. Then, release your cursor. I'll decrease the opacity to 85%. And that's it. Thanks for watching.